GCSE chemists, we can complete this calculation question without a calculator as long as we understand the relationship between the concentration of an acid and the pH of an acid. And that is essentially, as the concentration increases, or actually not even increases, as the concentration of the acid changes by a factor of 10, the pH is going to increase or decrease by 1. So if the concentration of the acid is multiplied by 10, then the pH is going to decrease by 1. And if the concentration of the acid is divided by a factor of 10, then the pH is going to increase by 1. So they go in opposite directions. If we've got a greater concentration, because this is key concentration of your H+ ions, which is what is in our acid, as the concentration of our H+ ions increases, we get more acidic, so the pH goes down. Whereas if we've got a lower concentration of H+ ions, we get less acidic, so the pH goes up, so closer to 7. Right? So let's look at this in practice for this example. We are starting with a 0.240 mole per dm cube solution, and we're going down to a 0.00240 moles per decimeter cube solution. So in terms of the change in concentration, that concentration is being divided by 100, which is the same as saying that we are dividing by 10 and then dividing by 10 again, right? We're dividing by 10 twice. So if we're dividing by 10 twice, that means when it comes to our pH, we are going to add 1 twice or add 2. So we're going to add 1 for the first 10, and then we're going to add another 1 for the second 10. So overall, we're going to add 2 to the pH. So if our pH started off as 0.62 for our original concentration, our final pH is going to be 2.62 as our final answer. Wonderful, delightful, fantastic. Let me know how you found that question. If you've seen questions like this before, or if this was brand new to you, make sure that you are following for more GCSE chemistry tips and tricks and exam style questions. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.